In 2026, over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute, and 70% of views are now driven by automated recommendations. In a market this saturated, the era of simply stumbling into success has ended. The platform has transitioned from a social video site into a core component of the global search infrastructure. It is now the engine that feeds data to AI answer engines and search overlays. Many creators are currently struggling because they continue to optimize for the virality and entertainment standards of 2023. They are ignoring the shift towards search-first visibility. Growth now requires a move away from hit-or-miss content and towards systematic, data-driven engineering. Every upload must be designed to satisfy both a human viewer and a machine crawler. To maintain a presence in 2026, you have to stop treating your channel as a hobby and start operating it like a professional media company. Operating as a media company requires hitting specific statistical markers that prove your authority to the algorithm. To reach the highest tier of platform leverage, you must hit 3 thresholds: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours, and 10 million shorts views within a 90-day window. These metrics serve as the definitive proof of concept that a channel commands enough market authority to be recommended to a wider audience. Large language models do not watch your videos. They read the text data associated with them. This has made Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO, a requirement for discovery. GEO is the practice of structuring video data so that AI engines like ChatGPT and Gemini can accurately synthesize and cite your content. These systems evaluate specific layers of information: your video titles, the details in your descriptions, the accuracy of your transcripts, and the presence of structured data like schema markup. Because the discovery process is now handled by machines, clear and factual language is more effective than emotional phrasing. Success depends on clarity and topical authority. AI platforms also prioritize recency. Keeping your content searchable requires you to refresh the metadata and examples in your evergreen videos at least once a year. Mastering GEO ensures a video remains a searchable asset that populates results across YouTube search, Google AI overviews, and dedicated answer engines like Perplexity simultaneously. Once the metadata is structured, you must address the format. The 2026 algorithm specifically rewards hybrid creators who publish both short and long-form content. Shorts act as a high-velocity discovery engine, built to reach the 10 million view milestone by capturing a wide audience quickly. Long-form videos then convert that rapid traffic into deep audience loyalty, allowing a channel to clear the 4,000 watch hour requirement. For rapid channel establishment, a 70% focus on shorts builds the initial audience, while a 30% focus on long-form content ensures those viewers stick around. This hybrid loop creates a compounding effect, increasing total watch time and subscriber growth significantly faster than focusing on a single format. Even the best funnel fails if you cannot keep people watching. High click-through rates are useless if the audience immediately leaves the video. The current algorithm prioritizes absolute viewer satisfaction. It looks for high retention rates and long session durations as signals that your content is actually valuable. This retention line graph reveals exactly where a video loses its audience. Professional creators study these curves to identify where to cut boring segments and how to keep that line as flat as possible. Retention is further improved by a hub-and-spoke strategy. By grouping videos into tightly linked thematic clusters, you encourage viewers to watch a series of related videos in a single sitting. Applying this level of analytical scrutiny to your channel's data is the final step in transitioning from a casual creator to a media company executive. Achieving the core milestones of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views is the foundation for building a sustainable business. Crossing these thresholds allows you to secure direct brand partnerships and package deals across multiple formats. This diversifies your income so your business isn't solely reliant on platform ad rates. The goal is to co-design digital culture. You do that by providing clear, structured signals for the AI to follow and high-quality, engaging stories for the humans to enjoy. Move past posting into the void. Build a calculated hybrid funnel. Master your metadata and claim your position in the global media network. In 2026, the creators who win are the ones who build the smartest media empires.